Hello, welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and today we have another hand-selected vehicle to introduce to you and walk around. So here in front of you is a 2017 registered Range Rover SD4 Evoque Autobiography. As you can see from the exterior, the vehicle comes finished in the Corris grey metallic paint and is complemented fantastic with the ebony full leather interior. So the vehicle comes having covered just 29,090 miles. It has an impeccable full Land Rover service history and a very impressive 1,260 pounds of optional factory fitted additional equipment. So from the exterior you can see from the B pillar backwards we have the rear privacy glass. We have the fixed side steps, and we also have a fixed panoramic sunroof. So as we enter in the driver's side, you can see the glass sunroof going all the way to the back there. So we'll have a look on the driver's door card. We have the upgraded Meridian sound system, the 3-stage electric memory front seats, controlled just down there on the right hand side of the seat. Very well presented, very well looked after. We also have the autobiography there embossed into the back of the front seats. And as we have a look at the centre console, we have the full entertainment system there with your DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, your 360 reversing camera as well, and your integrated satellite navigation. You may have noticed the heated seat controls there, and then just round the back we have the heated steering wheel button on there. Full Bluetooth connectivity with voice command, and it also comes to finish it off with the heated rear seats. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope it's been of some use, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.